So while writing a will, Alhad, what are things that we should keep in mind? Give us some insight on what is a good way to go about writing a will.
Good way to go for writing a will.
Writing a will. While writing a will, what are things that we should take care of? What are parts of the will? Is there something that we should know, technical things about writing a will?
So again a story. I like to tell stories about it. So here is a story about one of my dad's friend. My dad and he worked together for 35 years. So he and his wife used to work with LIC, and both worked for a very long time in their respective organizations. And they had no kids. And so that's where they called and suggested that we want to write something about what happens after us, and would you help us for will? And that's where I started discussions with them. And this is a typical trend, and Bhuvna, you would agree that in your journey as well, you must have found these kind of people where the husband is taking care of all the family financial related matters, and wife says, okay, you just tell me where I'm supposed to sign and I will sign. And also that lady is no lesser educated. I mean, she is equally educated, but she would say, okay, I know you are paying attention to, I don't want to get into this. And
all the time.
So this is what it happens in this kind of situations, that assimilation of data is something that we lack at.
Okay.
And although they had created immense wealth over a period of time, there was no single document that could reproduce what kind of investments you have over there. And I think that's very important aspect, because one document will provide all the details. And this is very important. And then when you start writing about will, I would suggest that go by, so you use any avenues. There are websites that help for will making. You can get help of professionals for will making. But the methodology that you should do as a individual is that try to bring every information on one document, collect all the information that you have on document, so that it will be helpful to put it properly to the concerned professional, and the concerned professional will guide you to write and complete the will and execution of the will as such.
Okay. So a complete list of documents, you say, is the most important aspect of writing the will. But what about deciding on who should get the money, or who will actually do the work after the death of the person? So is there anything that we need to know about all of that?
Yes. So this is what, again, going back to the story of the whole uncle and aunt. They were writing their will for more than 1.5 years period of time. So
really?
I was their family member kind of. Every 2 or 3 months, I would go there and they would tell me about, these are the new list of beneficiaries. And they would revise this. They would think about it. Okay, I want to donate it to my school. And so they were in their 70s, and their schools in Konkan, they wanted to give donations. So every time I go there, there will be a new discussion. But over a period of time, we could put all the documents together. Everything was there. And unfortunately, when uncle died, auntie mentioned one statement that because of all these efforts, I really know what is there as a wealth that I have. I don't know about DMAT shares. Where do we have DMAT? Where we have fixed deposits? I didn't know anything. And this document helped me to identify that what is there on the plate for me to live for, I don't know, for how many years now.